Welcome to the third video of the web scraping playlist. In this video, we will do the scraping of this KFC stores in Delhi um, present in this list. Let's start. Let me show you this. We have done what is web scraping, how it works. We have set up the environment, and the two main libraries that are used for web scraping is BeautifulSoup and Selenium. And I will tell you what is the difference between them. Basically, BeautifulSoup is used where the static information is present, like available in the website structure, HTML structure. Suppose here we are in this website, we will right click and go to the inspect window. In the inspect window, we will see this arrow and click over here, and here we can see this in the inspect window that the name of the restaurant, like here it is given title KFC. Here is the text. The address of the outlet is given here, number A12 inner circle and all. Here is the phone number which is given. So I am telling you basically the information, if the information is present in the HTML structure itself, which is static, like if all the stores of the KFC list is present here only, then we will use the BeautifulSoup. And if we have to interact with the website, like suppose here instead of this drop down, or for drop down also we will need Selenium, we will tell this later on, but suppose here we have the search box like this Flipkart website, and we have to type phone, and then it will show the results of all the phones, the mobiles. So where we have to interact with the website, like click on the next page or type something or do some click, like here we have to, suppose if we want to click this, and then we went to fetch the information after click. So if we have to do any interaction, then we will use Selenium interaction, or if the information present in the static form, then we will use BeautifulSoup. So these both are, like BeautifulSoup and Selenium can help you extract almost 95 to 97% of the websites present over the web with the help of these two libraries only. So first we will start with the BeautifulSoup. We will see this. Let's start. We will see this by using all the stores present in this list. Let me show you the code. So here is the website we are scraping. The code has been started by the importing libraries, import request. So the import request, why it is used? The import request is used for the HTTP calls. And BeautifulSoup किस लिए यूज होता है? BeautifulSoup is used for parsing HTML. It helps to fetch the data from the HTML, and request is used for the HTTP call. So for using BeautifulSoup, we need to use request every time to do the HTTP call from the URL. Like here in the sample code, we have done the import request, then import BeautifulSoup, import URL library 3, we have used this to suppress the SSL warnings. This SSL warning, we will talk about this later on. This is not important as of now. We will discuss this later on. So after that, we will use the URL, like simply the URL of the website, like here, whichever URL you want to use for scraping. So just put the URL here, and this also no use, it is used for only the suppressing the SSL warning. Let's see. Now we have initiated the soup, beautiful soup, and this is the main part which I want to tell you, like how to fetch, how the beautiful soup knows which part to extract and which part is to not. Suppose it can give me the this one also, it can give me the text of this also, but how it gives the text from this only. So for that we will use the HTML structure of the website itself. Like if we click on this in the inspect window, it is the HTML structure which is provided over here. So if we go to this div class outlet list, so like for the, suppose you are on a road and you want to identify the house, your friend's house. So what you will do, you will check the address, like where it is present in which locality. If you find the locality, then which house number. So similarly, it is the kind of address you can say for the element, like division div class outlet list. So in this, suppose if we do control F, then div @class equals to outlet list. What was the name of that? Outlet list. Oh, sorry. This is the name only. So now you can see it is showing me 1 of 1, that it has fetched correctly the where the which is the element we are talking about. Suppose now if we want to fetch only the this heading, Daryaganj, cannot place, not the address, not the KFC, just this text. So to fetch this text, we will go to this, like it is showing me the, so the outlet list is the element which we are currently fetching. Then we will go under that, it is there is a store box info. If we change the class name to store box info, see it is showing me 1 of 10. And if we go to the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, so it has fetched all the blocks of the store, like store box. If we have changed this, now if we want to fetch address only, so we will change the class name, we will use the class name this. But what is the catch, why it is not showing? Because the outlet address is present under the li list item, not the div. See here, li class. So we will change this div to li. See, now it is showing 1 of 10. If we do, so it is currently selecting all the addresses. So similarly, if we want to do anything, want to fetch any data, like if we want to fetch complete data, then we will select whole element. If we want to fetch the name, then we can select this only, name only. And if we want to fetch this address, then we can fetch the address only using this li class outlet address. If we want to fetch only the mobile numbers of each outlet, then we will go to this outlet phone. See, here it has fetched all the phone numbers. Got it? So similarly, in our this we have used outlets soup dot find all. It will find all the UL with outlet detail. Let me check. Let's see. If we do UL outlet, what was that? Outlet detail. Okay, detail. So here we have used lambda, like outlet detail should be present in the class. It is not the exact class it is talking about. But here I have shown you, like if you want to fetch this, see this. This is the class, UL class, and if we paste this, see, this is one of one. Got it? Now, as we have said, find all, so it will find all the classes, UL classes with containing outlet details in it. Like all the classes containing outlet detail, it will fetch. Got it? Now, under that we have put all the things separately. Like for outlet in outlets, we have used a loop. Similarly, outlets, what outlets this variable do? It will collect all the details. Like suppose if there are present 10 elements, 10 outlets. So it will collect all the outlets in this. Now, if we want to print each one of the outlet, then we will always use the for loop. So for outlet in outlets, we have used name. For the name, we have used li outlet name class. This is the class which we have used. That I have already shown you how to fetch name, address, phone number. So similarly, nothing much. For the address, it is used the li class for the outlet address. And outlet, why I've used outlet.find? Because the outlet is coming from here for outlet in outlets. And this is the later, which is just dot get text strip true, dot get text strip true. So nothing where it is used for just fetching the text. So at the end we have printed all the information. Let's run this. See, it has printed all the information of all the outlets present in that list with the name, address and mobile number of all the stores. I hope you will get you got must be an idea of this. It is only the first video of the web scraping, and later on as we go move on to the next and next video, in the later videos you will see that this is not that much difficult as maybe it is seen right now. So we will see how to use BeautifulSoup then completely, and then we will see cover the Selenium completely, and trust me, you will fetch the data from any website that you need. Suppose you want to create a project, ML project, and you are searching for a particular data set which is not present over Kaggle or any other platform where you are searching. So you can just use this. Like I want to make some project on the KFC outlets of KFC stores location. So similarly, I can use web scraping and collect all the data in the Excel format in my database, and then similarly I can use it in my ML project. So we will cover all the part. This is just the beginning, just the first video. We'll see you in the next one with the more details. Also, in this video we have fetched only the stores present in the list only. We have not clicked on this second page, third page. The stores are also present over here. But as I told you that the BeautifulSoup is used for static, and Selenium is used for the interaction with the website. So here we are doing the interaction with the website by clicking on the next page. And suppose if the next page option wasn't there, there is only, suppose if there was only the drop down, we select Assam, then we select Guwahati, and then click on search, and the stores of all the Guwahati and Assam present of the KFC will present on the screen. So to do this by using the drop down and clicking on the search button. So for all this interaction we will use Selenium later on. First we will cover all the basics of BeautifulSoup, then we will move to Selenium. See you in the next one. Hope you learn something new. If you have any doubt or any query, just put it out in the comment section or reach out to me on Telegram. Thank you.